Welcome to my Natural Wonders review. Natural Wonders is a book bundle containing 2 books and was created by the American Health Collective. It contains natural remedies that treat and prevent common health problems such as cancer, diabetes type 2, dementia, arthritis, and many other major health issues. The book reveals which prescription drugs are proven to be harmful, even the ones medical practitioners continue to prescribe. Natural Wonders backs these claims with years of scientific research. This book's goal is to inform the public of how prescription drugs lead to the death of millions of people around the world every year. Bryce Hammond recently made this book public. He's the research director at the American Health Collective. He and his team of health specialists have been researching how to treat major health problems safely for over a decade now. They focus on the major health problems that contribute to the most deaths in the U.S. The American Health Collective has compiled all their natural solutions into their book, Natural Wonders. The Natural Wonders book explains each health problem with clarity, and each health problem has its own section and has its own step-by-step guide to treating that specific health problem. And since each of these are natural solutions, there are no harmful side effects. Natural Wonders also provides 3 helpful bonus books when you buy Natural Wonders. And last but not least, I've provided a discount link for Health Instincts subscribers in the description below.